Ma Kisumu ne oganda bende kaunti ma Kisumu jiwo mondo wuog oko ondikre kaka jogo ombulu kar rombgi. Jaod bura ma Kisumu West Migosi Olaga Luoch kaachiel to kod jalno bende koro dwaro mar kom mar Senate e kaunti ma Kisumu Profesa Tielo owacho ni mano kende e yo ma bende biro konyo jopiny mondo yier jotelo mekgi giwegi kaachiel kod neno ni Moluor Amolo Odinga bende koro odonjo State House bang' tarik 9 dwe mar 8 higani. Negi loso e seche ma bende koro ne isidho chenro mar chako Kawo Yanga kura tielo mar 2 chenro ma bende koro notim odiochieng' manyore e ot mar Grace Onyango mayudore chuny boma ma Kisumu.
Calling out on all the junior youth, all the millennials, all the young people of my generation to come out and register as voters. Make sure you register as voters so that this 2022 will push for Raila's presidency, and we know that Raila has very good plans for the youth of this country. Now we are pushing for that, and we want to make sure that the youths of this country are represented.
Having today is different from what we had last time, because we want to go and get the voter to come and register as a voter. Last time, most of the time we were on the roads with caravans trying to make sound or to sound, calling to the people to come and register. But we realize it's not working. So the approach that we are having today is, number one, we are putting all our differences aside in terms of aspirations, in terms of need, especially on the elective post. Number 2, we are putting our resources together. And number 3, we are going to use the existing coordinating teams for the party and the youth that is existing to ensure that we get the voter out of where they are from the village to the police.
Duty to work with the IBC, to work with the national government, to work with the county government, so that we put our efforts together. In the past, what has happened, there's been a tendency for politicians, particularly aspirants, to emphasize their own aspects. Like people will go with vans, with their photos and so on. And that tended to discourage people and also tended to make supporters see it very differently. Let's remember, we are doing this for the whole country. Raila is the person who can actually lead this country where it needs to go, where it has deserved to be for the last over 50 years. And therefore we, as leaders of this county, must show the way. He must get maximum percentage from this area.